Khagaria News Bulletin.
A new chapter begins and new energy rises.
Inauguration of AI-based interactive smart boards on October 10, 2025. An executive committee meeting of Khagaria Muslim Education Society and Khagaria conducted a successful parents-teachers meet. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Khagaria Higher Secondary School Monthly News Bulletin, October 2025. With the blessing of Almighty Allah, Khagaria Higher Secondary School proudly presents its October 2025 News Bulletin, featuring the month, notable achievements, events and institutional progress. Inauguration of AI-based interactive smart boards. Khagaria reached another significant milestone in technological advancement with the installation and inauguration of 6 AI-based interactive smart boards. The grand event was graced by President Janab A.G. Nasir Sahib along with Professor Mustafa Sahib, Senior Member Mr. Cholavaram Ataur Rahman Sahib, Trustee Khagaria Muslim Education Society and other esteemed executive members. An executive committee meeting of Khagaria Muslim Education Society was held on October 15. During the meeting, the following members were elected to the executive committee: Janab Professor Nasrullah Sahib, Janab Professor Mustafa Sahib, Janab Moda Imtiaz Basha Sahib, Janab Harur Fahad Sahib, Janab Muhammad Zishan Sahib. The meeting focused on strengthening education, promoting development in Khagaria institutions for academic excellence.
After a well-deserved break, Khagaria Higher Secondary School reopened on October 6, 2025, marking a refreshing start to the new academic term. Students returned with the renewed enthusiasm, showcasing creative holiday projects and assignments across subjects English, Science, Mathematics, Social Science, proving that learning at Khagaria continues well beyond the classroom.
Khagaria conducted a successful parents-teachers meet on October 18, 2025 with active participation from parents with teachers recording their vast academic performance and behavior. Parents received details, progress reports and shared valuable feedback for improving students' outcomes. Launch of Enlightenment Initiative. A special session was held for top performing students grade 6 to 9 and their parents. The Elite Minds Group and to provide personalized guidance and advanced academic coaching, motivate high achievers to reach their full intellectual potential. Objective to establish a focused academic mentorship program that nurtures brilliance and excellence among Khagaria students. The PTM strengthened the bond between parents and teachers, reflecting Khagaria commitment to a holistic, collaborative educational approach. The next event is National Recognition Veer Gata, a proud moment for Khagaria. The Ministry of Defence and Ministry of Education, Government of India jointly awarded certificates of participations to our students under the Veer Gata. This national level program encourages students to express their respect and admiration for the valiant heroes of India through creativity, writing and artwork.
Upcoming events: Khagaria Expo. Mark your calendar, 22 November. Khagaria Higher Secondary School will proudly host the Khagaria Expo 2025. The expo will feature vibrant display of projects across English, Science, Deeniyat, Robotics and Mathematics, showcasing the creativity and innovation of our students. Parents are warmly invited to attend and encourage the young minds of Khagaria as they present their talents and discovery.
Concluding note: the month of October 2025 was a remarkable chapter of innovation,
Collaboration and excellence at Khagaria.
embracing smart technology,
Fostering academic partnership.
national recognition. Every milestone reflects the school commitment to holistic growth. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless Khagaria Secondary School with continuous success, harmony and prosperity. Jazakallah khair.